May isda dito guys. Tingnan mo ha. Ay, tumayo na sila. Ay, sila. Tingnan sila. Dito na naman kami ulit sa Sahar. Maliligo na naman kami. Yun yung bangka namin dun. Sa pagkita ko sa inyo, dito kasi buhangin talaga siya. Pag sa malayo, makikita mo siya na parang white sand. Oh. Wala siyang buhangin na maitim, maliwanag, malinis talaga siya. Yeah. Ganda. Punta tayo dun sa may mga rock. Ang tubig malamig. Malamig. So guys, meron na tayo ditong ano ha, yan. Bato. Wala. Ayun yung mga seaweeds. Oh, medyo mainit-init dito. Oh, ganda ng seaweeds. See? Maganda. Sa. Hindi sa madulas. Oh, mainit dito ah. Ganda. Sa bato-bato. Oh, mainit. Ang ganda dito ah. Mainit siya. Ito yung mga bato. Saan ka bato pa? Sa mga rock ta sa kami kailangan nga mga rock libre dito mga bato madami dito. Yan guys, oh. Ito sa taas. Sa baba. Tapos yung ito. O, diba? White sand. Ayan. Para! Si Captain Bruno. Captain Bruno is coming. Kapitan! Dito po, Kapitan Para! Dito siya. Doon? Doon daw. Let's go. Okay. Okay, ayun tayo. Pang-pang. Nag-right line. Nag-right black is beautiful. So like that? What? Pumutok nga! Smash the egg on her forehead. See? Ah, masakit na.
Normally, we knock it on someone else. Like,
Masakit.
somebody.
Masakit. Ito na pala yung puwete, matulis, matigas. Maganda din sa bato part, mainit siya. Tapos yung tubig doon, mainit din.
Marami doon mga isda. Ay, pagkat may goggles again. Pero doon marami mga isda-isda doon sa bato-bato part. Doon sa Spain, ganun yung ginawa namin sa bato-bato parang park. Yung mga maliliit, iba-ibang kuya. Ay. Oh. Yeah.
Not the train.
Training. And the kayak is just like hayahay.
Ano yung training?
Paglang eh. Ang mga swimmers sila professional. How many, did you time this egg? How many minutes you boil?
4 minute boil.
4 minutes?
Is it, what's it like inside? Can you see? That's when it's good for you.
Tapos gagawin yung kamay niya.
I called it immediately.
Yeah.
Is it running or not?
Did you took it out from the pan?
Yeah. I called it. Is it running? What's it like?
It's good.
Let me see. You're a midget. That's perfect. It's that simple.
Hanggang August pa naman nagsama eh.
Sinerte ka.
Ano pa? Eh, ulan-ulan na naman. Hanggang August pa to. So,
It's a disabled boat again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, well, that's lovely, huh?
With wheels. No? It's good because it's a lovely weather. It should be different, but
Well, that's really nice. Really good, that.
this one. Food. Okay. It's healthy as well.
I don't know if it's sponsored around the. Because Heidi used to do it around the Herm Swim, you know?
Yeah. So they have kayak in case they tired. They hang on there.
So they're going, they obviously look, this is Dad that owns the boat, but he's using it. He's flat out everywhere. They're getting jersey, everything like that. And he's going deeper water.
So that's friends, eh? Children's.
Oh, they're teenagers. They're in their 20s, huh?
Yeah.
They're going deeper water so they can dive.
okay. Sabi ka na dito.
Oh! Oh! I'm excited! There's mackerel!
Wow! Ang laki!
Oh my god! It's a horse mackerel!
Don't touch the hook, don't touch the hooks! I said don't touch the hooks.
It's a big horse mackerel, look! Yum, yum! Come on, baby! Oh, you get caught twice! We got fish. We got dinner! Yum, yum! Yeah! Excited. Oh, may pangulam na. Hey, you can do it. Baka mahulog ka ng ano, ng isda.
Some's come off.
Oh. Oh, there it's coming. There's one. There's one. Two. Ah! Up, 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 up. Congratulations!
Okay.
Give me that. That's it.
Ay!
That's it, right.
Oh, isa pa!
Okay, lift it up.
Dad! I deserve.
Bloody awesome, that dog.
Oh, are you the one eating the bait?
I can see the big shoal come through. So one's gone there. The little ones, you want them or not?
Yeah, I like small fish, eh? Little fish are sweet.
This is a nice big one. Look at the eyes on that. Eh? Do you like the
Yeah.
eyes? Yeah.
Woo! That's it, baby.
Right, okay, you can start fishing again round there.
Okay, kami.
Hello, it's give me, I take a photo, come to me. It's a different, it's tough, we don't, what's that called? Gurnard, yeah. We don't eat this gurnard.
Yeah, you can eat it.
Hey!
You can eat it. It's full of spines. Be careful.
Patrona, tingin, it's your huli.
What's that? Na ano siya na si Ud.
Oh, it's a foul fish.
Yeah, that's...
No, that's good. Oh, that's fine. Oh, it's not counted.
It's not counted.
Kasi
Gurnard,
kumain ka agad.
gusto mo ba yan?
Ay, ayoko na.
There's many other types.
Di ba mabaho yan? Malangsa?
I don't know. Did I eat that before?
Yeah, there's the I don't like them.
I don't like
different kind of taste. But now,
We can let it go.
This
You want
spines.
it, Pat? You want to try it?
No.
No.
you don't want to try.
This is our last fish.
Bring me my dinner. I'm hungry.
You can't go home without fish. It's heavy.
One.
Whoa, big one! You can do it.
Maswerte ka
Oh,
na.
that's it.
It's a big
That's a
fish.
beauty. It's the biggest one. That one.
Yeah, that's the big one. And that's the lucky one.
Okay.
Dapat tinawakan mo, pininturan kita.
Ha?